What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So today's video is a video that I've been hyped about for about a week. So I've ordered a ton of stuff for this car. I've ordered side lights, I've ordered ambient lighting kits, I've ordered neon under kits, I've ordered wrap. So basically we are gonna transform the look of this car. I like it in the all black. We're gonna take a look around the car in a second. As always, I do an intro, so we're gonna go through the car as it is now, and then we're going to start looking at what we're going to do to the car over the coming weeks. As I say, it's going to be over the coming weeks because I've ordered a load of stuff. So, winter car season, we are going to be lit up like a Christmas tree. So, let's have a look around the car. In terms of the back, I haven't ordered a diffuser yet. I'm trying to find one that I want, and I haven't ordered a spoiler yet because I haven't found one that I want. But the black lights are staying, gel plates are staying. The red in the S5 is going to go orange. The calipers are going to go orange, and we're going to refurb the wheels. So orange calipers, refurb the wheels. Sorry Calvin, but you're getting chopped. We've got driveway light stickers to go on there. Windows are staying tinted. The colour of the car is being changed. So I've bought a sample colour of the colour, which I'm going to try and install in this video. So we've got front calipers are going to go orange. I've ordered orange wrap, so I am considering doing round the fog light and then the front silver splitter in orange to go with the feel. I haven't ordered a black badge yet, which that's just reminding me I need to. Bonnet obviously staying as it is. I want to get a driveway light sticker for the bottom of the windscreen there. I need to have a look if we can save this bumper or whether we are going to have to. It's basically snapped, but I've got a couple of body shop guys. Maybe they'll be able to do something so we can just wrap this, sand it and wrap it. Hidden away. Side blades, haven't decided what colour they're going yet. Maybe orange, maybe the colour of this car. And then obviously we'll wrap the interior bits too. So the wrap colour, let's get that out. Let's get set up. We're going to try and wrap this wing. I have wrapped before many years ago, so we're going to see what happens with that. Let's go. Thing I will mention, follow me on Instagram. I will put my tag just down here somewhere because the colour is already on Instagram right now. So if you follow me on Instagram, you see content before it gets to the channel. I always put sneak previews sneak previews on Instagram, so make sure you check out Instagram. Okay, so wrapping the car, I've ordered a sample. I'm gonna have a go at wrapping this wing today, see what it looks like on the car. Last time I did this was about 3 years ago. I just ordered the wrap, then it came. I wasn't overly keen on the color. I will put a picture of that car up there, maybe there, somewhere out there. So this time I just bought a meter, 1 meter by 1.5 meters. So we're gonna give it a go today on this wing. Bit of practice for me as well, because obviously it's been 3 years since I've done any wrapping. So let's talk more action. Let's get it gone. Okay guys, so it's time to send it basically. I've wiped down all the edges, I've tar and glued everything, I've removed the badge. So I'm going to try and lay this out and try and squeegee. If you've got any questions about what I'm doing, why I did it, how I did it, pop it in the comments and I'll let you know. Let's do it. So the wrap's not too bad. It does leave a couple of bubbles, but flip it around, you guys can see what it looks like so far. Then let's crack on, let's get it done. Really don't know about this colour, to be honest. I do quite like it, but then I think is it a bit too gold when I wanted it to be purple with a bit of gold, whereas it's more gold than purple. But whatever. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Obviously this is just a sample. If it doesn't work, then I'm going to do the rest of the car, so let me know. So it is going well. There's a couple of bubbles. I'm hoping when I heat it up I'm going to be able to get them out, but obviously there's no guarantees. The last corner where the bonnet meets the top of the door, meets the top of the wing, I didn't do too good in that area, so I'll have a look at that now in more detail. So this was really hard. I think it's all right, to be honest. In black cars you get away with it a bit more, don't you? There's a couple of bubbles there. So colour's growing on me a little bit, I think. So that is one panel. It took about 2 hours, I think. It's not perfect. I mean, I would be happy with it in terms of the way it fits, corners, but there are a couple of bubbles. This is tucked in a bit. There are a couple of bubbles, so obviously here, there's one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to heat it up and see if I can get any of these bubbles to come out a bit. But let me know what you guys think, you know. Gold but purple. Take it outside in a minute. So I'm going to heat it all up now again, so it all stays in place. And then wipe it all down, and then we'll take it outside and see what we've got. Sorry Calvin, I still rep you mate, but I need to put my own stickers on. So back home, outside, so I'm going to show you what the wing looks like. I have decided I'm not keeping this colour. I am going to change it for something else because it's not what I want. As always guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, pop a comment what colour I should buy. I'll leave this video live for 48 hours before I order any other colour. So I'll see what you guys pop in the comments, and then we'll have a look, order another sample and go from there. So without further ado, this is what it looks like.